Hey guys, my name is Koushik and welcome back to LetCode. Today we are going to learn how to do multiple select. For example, in this page we have multiple lists here. Now if I want to select some values like this, then of course I have to use the control key then followed by the mouse click to achieve this. But if I click this without using the control, you can see that the previous value is going to be deselect and the last value that I have selected, it's only going to highlight. So the basic idea is we have to use the control key and then followed by we have to do this. I mean do the click. Now to achieve this, of course we have to use the Protractor ActionSequence. Let us see how to do that in code. Here we have the basic code, so describe block, and within this we have this before all and then followed by the it spec. So first we have to get all the elements that we are going to click. So if I go to my browser, I have to find the XPath or locator for this particular elements. So I'm just going to right click, and here we are going to use this let XPath. So of course we can start testing now onwards. So here I can select any of the element and that's going to give us this XPath, and this makes sense to me. So I just click on this here and I will just copy the XPath here. And if I go back, I can say like element then followed by dot XPath and then paste the value. That's it. And okay, so that's it. Now let us store this in a variable called maybe uh, searching or something like that. Okay, now let us find the second one. So I'm just going to inspect the second, maybe Ganguly. And instead of copy XPath, I can also get the snippet as well. So I'm just going to copy this and here I will paste it. So it's giving us private because this is mostly designed for page object model, but there will be option where we can configure private and the let. So let's not worry about that. Probably once the product is ready to release, we can do all the stuff, right? So let us copy this and here we are going to paste this, and let me change this to let. Okay, so we got our three values, three elements. Now we are going to click this. Now the very simple action you might think is like we can call the browser.actions and then followed by clicking on this for three times for three different elements, right? So here I can say await and then followed by searching dot get web element. Like this we can repeat for the three times for multiple elements and that should work. We might think like this, so let me just show you that. And of course here I have to change this to Ganguly and then followed by Zahir. Okay, and of course here we have to use this await keyword, and let us try to run this. This is not going to work. I will tell you the reason as well. So let us see first. So browser got opened and here you can see that it actually clicked. It was very fast, I know. It clicked three of them, but lastly it selected only this Zahir. The reason is if I do like this click only, then probably it's going to deselect the previous one. So we can solve this using the send keys by using the control key. So let us see how to do that. So before clicking each and every element, I'm just going to pass the send keys, and within this I will call my protector dot keys dot control. So here we are clicking on the control first and then followed by we are doing the three click actions, and then where of course we have to do the perform. Now let us try to run this and let's see what happens. Okay, so here we can see that it has clicked all the three values because in the very beginning we have called the send keys where we are passing the control. That means it's going to use the control key first and then followed by it is going to perform the click actions and then it's going to perform all the clicks, right? So this is how we can achieve this kind of selectable, and I think that's very easy one. Just we have to know this how to use these chords. That's it. So I hope you have enjoyed the video and this is very clear to you. See you in the next one very soon. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and just in case if you have any queries, please do let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one very soon.